Who's at the door? I thought you didn't invite anyone. Open it. What if it's them? Then open it politely.
Croc, order for Alvaro. 2 portions of worms, no sauce.
I asked for it with sauce.
Then that's your problem, Croc.
Me siento de haber nacido en mi patria